A good life can be described as a life that is self-satisfying and self-fulfilling. It is characterized by personal joy, fulfillment, and enjoyment of the small pleasures of life. When someone says their life is good, it means that they can access the basic things that give them comfort and pleasure. A good life is a combination of the experience of goodness in different areas. So when you have a good life, it can be said that you are healthy, happy, pleased, blessed, and have a good reputation. 1. Health. Health is a state of feeling, looking, and being healthy. It refers to a state of complete emotional and physical well-being. Health is not just the absence of diseases, but also the ability to perform your daily activities without the limitations of health. Without good health, it would be practically impossible to do or achieve the things that give us a good life. 2. Happiness. Happiness is a state of being satisfied with what you are seeing and the experience you are having. Although happiness is usually short-lived, it plays a significant role in triggering the enthusiasm required to achieve and live a good life. 3. Pleasure. Pleasure is an experience that makes us feel good. Different things give people pleasure. To some, it may be money, to others, it may be a loving and caring spouse, children, or the ability to access whatever they want at any point in time. Although something is pleasant doesn't mean it is good, but people often pursue different pleasures to make them feel good. 4. Peace. Peace is a state of physical, mental, and emotional calmness and the feeling of being secured. Peace does not necessarily mean the absence of challenges, but the ability to stay afloat despite the storms. When one is at peace, the mind is free from worries and anxieties. 5. Money. Money is an essential commodity in life. The lack of it can create stress, but having enough money to take care of your needs can create an experience of a good life. The idea of pleasure being a component of the good life already signifies that there is a measure of satisfaction that can be gotten by the availability of money. 6. Good reputation. A good life is not only characterized by what you do or enjoy for yourself, but it is also about the perception of others about you. Integrity and character are required to earn a good reputation with people, and this is also a very important component of the good life. If you're ready to make life changes, subscribe to the Good Life channel and find out what you can do to improve your life. Thank you for coming this far with us. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget click the notification bell to alert you each time we post a new video. Bye for now.